Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn all about Tripleseat floor plans and how you can easily use this integration to create diagrams and walkthroughs that can be seamlessly shared with your guests and internal team. Tripleseat floor plans is our new intuitive and collaborative event diagramming solution. It lets you visualize, customize, and optimize your event layouts. With floor plans, you can create to scale 2D and 3D diagrams in minutes with our user-friendly interface, as well as keep your team and guests aligned and informed with easily shareable floor plans. When getting set up with Tripleseat floor plans, you have the same best-in-class onboarding experience that you know with Tripleseat. To get started, all we need are the floor plans and photos of your space. Once you have gone through our onboarding process and your floor plans are ready to go, the next step is to enable floor plans. This is done by toggling on the integration in Settings, Integrations. After the integration is turned on, creating floor plans for an event in Tripleseat is a breeze. In any Tripleseat event, I'll find a Create a Floor Plan button on the right side, which will open the floor plans dashboard. From there, I can either start from scratch or choose a pre-existing template for my room layout. Using templates and then making small modifications to an event are a pro tip that can save you time. Once my design has loaded, I will begin adding items to my floor plan. I will drag and drop some tables. A number at the top shows me how many guests can be accommodated based on my tables so far. For this conference, I'll add some additional items. When looking at the items in a category, I will see a venue provided notation above items provided by my venue. This was set up during the onboarding process, and I can mark items as venue provided at any time. I don't just have to use venue provided items though. I can click Add Items to choose from Tripleseat floor plans inventory of over 80,000 items. Now that I've added my basic items, let's go into 3D. No matter what view I choose, anything I create or edit in one view will automatically update in the other view, and I can quickly move between views. All views speak to each other. Clicking on the Design button, I can see that my items are now 3D, and I have some additional options. Just like in 2D, anything I change to this one table will now apply to all tables on my floor plan. I can save frequently used tables as presets to save even more time with future floor plans. My final view is 3D top-down. I like to use 3D top-down to give my guest a better view of the space than 2D, but still have the holistic space from above. I can see my items are still in 3D, and I have the same additional options as before. Once I've finished my design, clicking Save and Export will send the floor plan back to my Tripleseat event. This floor plan is now available in my Events Floor Plans tab, along with multiple 3D visuals and a fly-through video. I can quickly share any of these images or the fly-through video by inserting them anywhere there is a text field. Some of the most popular places to share floor plans are through documents and discussion messages. The 2D blueprint image can quickly be added to the BEO through a merge field. Sending a fly-through video to my guest via discussion message gets them excited about the space and really lets them envision what it will look like. And that's it. I've set up Tripleseat floor plans, created a floor plan for an event, and shared it quickly with my guest. We hope you take advantage of this new add-on feature and get started with floor plans today. As always, if you have any questions about floor plans, please don't hesitate to reach out to our amazing support team, support@tripleseat.com. Thanks for watching.